So when you break out then out of KWI, what do you plan on doing first?
I'm actually going to be looking for potentially being a helper on a pipeline if
Yeah.
I can. Get in there, get some more phone numbers, some contacts, learn the ropes a little bit, and then jump in if I could, or refineries if there's not helper positions available. I'm going to want to try to get on a refinery, use my rig out there, or compressor stations, mobile weld, or even possibly if I could have my own mobile welding business on my own.
I got you.